Hello.
Look a little different.
Yeah, we look a little different. Hello, welcome back to my vlog channel. It's Summer in the City day 1. Woo! We've just got ready. It's taken us quite a while actually, but we're just gonna go head out for some breakfast in a second before heading to the XL. I think they're actually, you know, they're doing that winter in the city now. I think that's in Birmingham, right? Did you see that? Yeah, they're doing a winter in the city now. I've been to Summer in the City for the last 3 years, like this will be my 3rd time. And Meg's joining me this time. Woohoo!
She's never been before.
And we're buzzing, so Meg will give her first impressions later.
Yes.
You know, to be fair, today will be so different to tomorrow, but I think today's gonna be quite chilled. Like, we're just gonna go there whenever we're ready, have a look at all the stands, like the merch stalls and stuff. Yeah. That'll be jokes. I don't know, like, we'll just see what happens really. Like, I don't really know what they've got planned this year. I haven't really seen much like advertised anywhere, so I don't know like what brands are gonna be there or anything, but it should be fun. But yeah, we're gonna go head to King's Road because we want Juice Baby for breakfast, because we are vegan sluts. Just in Juice Baby. Oh god.
That's too much of a day.
Thank you very much. Oh, that's cute. They've got winter and summer in there. What? Oh, at least I've got a better camera, because look, that's not that bad, the lighting. I'm spending goodie man.
Like a little baby.
I wonder, right, so I think I'm currently on like 6,000 and something subscribers, because I want to look back at last year at how much I've changed.
What your highest viewed video is.
Oh yeah, me and Megan checked, and our Poly video on my main channel that I thought was gonna do shit. Like, I honestly thought that was gonna be about...
It was like a last minute thing, wasn't it? Like,
yeah, it was so random. Like, it's so specific because it's like Poly dresses, like a random dress brand that's not that big.
Yeah.
And it's got over 100,000 views now, which is mad, because me and Meg literally were too excited to wait till the next day, because we just come back from this massive, we just come back from this massive meal and everything, and so we were super bloated. I was also on my period, so I just felt grim, but we were too excited to try the dresses on.
And they got 100,000 views. Yeah,
and I was like, for fuck's sake. Oh, this is the fairground, but it's a bit bigger. I don't know if we go in the other way. So me and Megan are in the plane. It's so overwhelming. I don't like it. Yeah, we're just sort of like walking around the area and seeing what's around at the minute, because it's just like really like, ooh. It does seem a lot smaller than usual. We're waiting on a call from Woucher for our mystery holiday, so forgot about that, didn't we? Yeah, we're just having a little wander around, and hopefully we'll do something interesting in a second. We've just had to leave Summer in the City because I got a call. I got a call from Weekend at Breaks, so we're just waiting for them to come back because the connection completely went. I don't know whether to message. We've just come outside for the past hour on the phone to the people at Woucher. If you've watched my Instagram stories and stuff, you'll know. Okay, Pen. Oh, Pen. Oh. Yeah, me and Meg have been sat outside here, outside Summer in the City, for about an hour and like a quarter, speaking to the Woucher people, because we bought a mystery holiday. It's like £99 and you get your hotel and flights included, and we've just been on the phone. It's been a massive ordeal, but we finally sorted it out. So make sure you go over to my main channel and subscribe there, because we'll announce where we're going on there super soon. Yeah, we're not obviously saying on the Summer in the City vlogs, fuck that. By the smile on our faces. it might be okay. Or is it fake? Yeah, we've been out here, we've been pissed off to be fair, so who knows.
This is my face for the last hour.
Been so rude on the phone, we couldn't help it. But yeah, anyway, let's go back into Summer and City and enjoy our lives.
And find some fit boys.
You go and can't without remorse, without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You was me.
Right, so we're just about to head to the fashion and beauty stage to go watch the Finding Your Niche panel. So if you have never been to Summer in the City before, they do like lots of panels throughout the whole weekend with like creators, some big, some small, talking about like loads of different topics, like stuff to do with what they create online, and then other bits and pieces like behind the scenes. So we're going to the Finding Your Niche one because Ellen O'Neill's on the panel and I really like her videos and I like her. Yeah, we're just gonna head to the fashion and beauty stage now. We just reapplied our lipstick. I've just had to recharge my phone because the Welsh woman rinsed my entire battery, so just have to have a little recharge. Now we're gonna go back in. We're also trying to find good places to eat in London that don't make you feel like shit afterwards. Because
I just don't want to be like in at Aiden's just like feeling like a
greasy bitch. Yeah. Some beef. What was I gonna say? Yeah, so we're just thinking of suggestions. Well, we've just asked for suggestions on Instagram. Hopefully we'll find somewhere nice. Maybe like a little vegan place, because By Chloe was really good yesterday and it didn't make us feel like shit. So hopefully we find something lovely.
Vegan all day.
Yeah. Oh wait, what did we have? Oh yeah, vegan.
Was breakfast vegan?
Yeah, it was vegan. Wait, yeah. Because there was no honey, like, or anything in there. Yeah, we had a vegan breakfast as well. Pang, right.
Like dairy-free latte.
Yeah? Oh yeah! We're gonna try and be vegan all day. That'll probably go out the window when we decide we want spicy nuggets or something. Right, so me and Meg are just about to hop on the DLR back to Fulham Broadway because we're going to go get a Wagamama's. We're starving, like, the hunger. Does this happen to anyone else?
Yeah,
me and Meg just get hungry, like, instantly. It's just, there's not a gradual point where I'm a little bit hungry and then I get to starving. Like, it's just, yeah.
The thought of food will make me feel sick and then I'll be ravenous.
Yeah, and we both get it, and it's usually at the same time as well. Like, literally, Meg said it and I was like, I've been literally just thinking this. I am starving, so we just thought we'd play it safe and go to Wagamama's because everyone's been suggesting the places and the photos look a bit weird online, so we're just gonna stick with what we know best, which is probably not the best thing to do always, but we'll try something new tomorrow. We'll tell ourselves that. We've just come into Wagamama's. We're getting our exact same order that we always do. Every single time we go for the ebi katsu chicken. That's kind of a new thing though, the ebi katsu, but we've got chili squid and chicken gyoza. And we both got chili chicken ramen. Yeah, and a peach toasty. Have you tried the desserts from here?
Never.
No.
I don't even look at them on menu.
No. I just thought about it.
They use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You beg me to come out with you.
Oh my god, have you got it was so funny.
Right, so we're now back at Aiden's. This is our Airbnb host right over here. We're just watching Sophia and Chintzie's new daily vlog, but we're going to go to bed. What's your first impressions of Sitsi? Even though we didn't spend most time there.
Me?
Yeah.
So quickly before I go and disturb their sleepover.
Right.
You remember some of these sleepovers?
Right, okay. And that is all.
There wasn't really much
No.
there today.
No,
so I
there
don't
wasn't.
really
So sweet, isn't
have
it?
any opinion right now.
Yeah, well, we'll see what happens tomorrow, but hopefully we'll be able to chat to a few people because we didn't really get time to like chat to anyone, to be honest. I feel like a little egg. But yeah, thanks for watching and we'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of Sitsi.
Joining in.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Shut your mouth.